Be Queen washers are very robust. They are built on a commercial platform versus a residential platform that's been adapted for commercial use. When people ask how long does they last, I ask, well, how long does a car last? We've got cars out there that are 50 years old that are still working and going and still need repairs. But it really does come down to maintenance. It comes down to how many hours are they truly been pushed through. But typically we see them on again, I'll call it small chassis machines in a 7 to 10 year frame if they're being used in a laundromat application. If they're being lightly used in maybe a multifamily housing environment, they'll last longer. If you're talking about true front load commercial machines, we easily see 20 years out of those. As again, it comes down to, are you taking good care of them? Are you doing your maintenance? Are you keeping them clean? You're making sure there's not water all over them and they're rusting out, and spraying water on electronics and components and motors and seals out on bearings, and you're running those until the machine fails. You'll get a much shorter life out of them. It's like anything in life. If you take good care of it and you do your preventative maintenance and you look them over, you'll have very long useful life out of those machines. If you're looking at different investments, a top load washer in today's environment with a laundromat, for example, majority of the laundromats have gotten rid of the top load washer. Not because it's a bad machine, but because the VIN price versus the water usage utilities, there isn't enough VIN price to really make it extremely profitable. But two is the customer that comes in, they overload them, they really challenge those machines to keep operating properly. And so, but it's a major jump when you go from a top load washer to let's say a 30-pound commercial washer. It is a major investment. What we're also seeing in the vended industry is move to even larger machines, 50, 60, 80 pound, even 100 pound machines, where you're getting up to $20 a load out of them. But those machines will also generate significant amounts of income, and you can have, again, 15, 20 years expected life out of those realistically.